I'm going to present to you the World Harp. There's only two of them. I have one, and this one was created for a friend in South Korea. Let me describe what it is. It is beautiful. Well, let's go over what it is. It starts its life as a stock Seydel VOLCANY, which is solid brass comb, stainless steel reeds. And you'll note this is not a standard cover. It is a Kettlewell resonant cover, which I invented, but was designed in its entirety by Russ Kammerer, who's kind of this genius designer builder. And the idea was to create chambers in the back of the covers that are acoustically valid and are kind of almost half of a bell trumpet, each of them. And there's 6. So the sound can interplay, and it's quite rich. It has a wonderfully kind of textured cover, which is actually extremely easy to grip. So it doesn't slip out of your hand if you're nervous on TV or something playing or something. And then it has a custom button. That's a handmade button on a lathe that I made on a 1946 lathe. And then, of course, the final, it also happens to have a Seydel Saxony mouthpiece on it because I feel that the trapezoidal mouthpiece is superior in play. And it also provides a more stable interface for the Kettlewell frictionless mouthpiece slider, which provides friction-free and easy movement to note hole positions. So I thought we'd just kind of look at it slowly as I twirl it on here for you. You can really get a real good feel. Covers are held by 2 Allen bolts. One of the covers is threaded, the other one takes the head. It is a beautiful instrument, isn't it? Now, I didn't realize this when I invented it, but the way that these covers were shaped by the designer builder Russ Kammerer, they're so comfortable to hold. And of course, if you want to play it without the slider, you just do that. But you can see the shape. It has a lip at the back end. It also keeps the bottom of the harp from touching the ground, and that's polished brass. It's easy to scratch it up, but it's just so comfortable in the hand and secure, which I think is wonderful. And these are many years of inventions. The slider was invented, and a lot of people tried to make it. It didn't work out too well. And then I started making them and came up with the better actual design. The first slider, just so you'll know, had a ball bearing here, 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 and a Delrin strip, and was cut on a CNC tool and die machine. It was a very nice design and worked, but it was a little over-designed. This one can't be damaged if you drop it. It's very stable. It's made from 12-year-old acrylic aged Lexan. This is orchestra tuned, okay? Now, if you don't know what that means, it means that the harp has the center 12 holes of the 16-hole harp, which is actually from G3 to F sharp 6. What does that mean? That means that it's the third G on a grand piano up to F sharp 6 and the 6th octave grouping on a piano. It's a beautiful and a wonderful range, and you can play just about any classical piece on it. So if you took a 16 hole and you covered up the top 2 holes and the bottom 2 holes, what you'd have left is what this is. So I call this the World Harp. I'd say it's the best instrument I've played tonally, comfort, ease of use. And of course this button is comfortable at all angles of activation of the slide. There it is.